Time's Twisted Secrets, Tyson's shocking take on real-time travel. Buckle up, cosmic travelers. Neil deGrasse Tyson, the universe's ultimate storyteller, drops a bombshell. Time travel isn't just Hollywood hype, it's woven into the fabric of reality, courtesy of Einstein's relativity. But hold your DeLorean keys, because while leaping forward is as real as the GPS in your pocket, zipping back to fix your bad hair day, that's where physics slams the brakes with paradoxes and impossibilities that could rewrite existence itself. In his latest 2025 chats like the mind-bending "Is time travel possible?" breakdown, Tyson unpacks how gravity and speed warp time like a pretzel, turning sci-fi into science fact. From twin paradoxes that age astronauts differently to wormhole what-ifs guarded by Hawking's cosmic laws, we're diving deep into the shocking truths that make time not a straight line, but a relativistic roller coaster. Stick around as we explore Tyson's guide to time's wild ride, because if the future's calling, you might already be late. Neil deGrasse Tyson kicks off any time travel talk with Einstein's special relativity from 1905, the game-changer that shattered Newton's absolute time, revealing it as relative to your speed and surroundings. Tyson explains that at everyday paces, we all tick along at 1 second per second, but crank up the velocity toward light speed, about 300,000 kms, and time slows for the mover compared to stationary folks. This isn't theory. It's proven in particle accelerators where muons, short-lived particles, live longer when zipped near light speed, effectively traveling further into the future by aging slower. In his 2025 Star Talk episode, Tyson quips that we're all time travelers forward, just at a snail's pace. Earth's orbit around the sun hurls us through space at 30 kilometers per s, subtly dilating time by nanoseconds yearly. But to really leap ahead, you'd need relativistic speeds like a spaceship at 99% light speed, where a year for you equals decades back home. This forward-only jaunt, Tyson stresses, is no paradox-free lunch. It's gravity's and motion's gift, baked into the universe's rules without exotic tech. It's shocking science. Time isn't universal, it's personal, bending to your cosmic commute. The twin paradox, a Tyson favorite for illustrating forward time travel, spotlights relativity's weirdness in human terms, straight from Einstein's playbook. Picture twins. One blasts off in a rocket at near light speed to a star 10 light-years away, while the other chills on Earth. For the rocket twin, the round trip, say 4-year ship time, stretches to 20 Earth years due to velocity-induced dilation, returning them younger than their sibling. Tyson, in a June 2025 YouTube deep dive, solves it in seconds. It's no contradiction because the traveling twin accelerates, launch, turnaround, landing, breaking space-time symmetry, while the stay-at-home twin doesn't. GPS satellites embody this daily, their clocks ticking slower by 38 microseconds daily from speed, but faster by 45 from weaker gravity, netting a 7 microsecond speed-up we correct for accuracy. Tyson's point? This isn't sci-fi, it's engineering reality, with 2025's Artemis missions testing it on lunar jaunts where time slips by femtoseconds. The shock? We've been time traveling since the atomic clock era, proving Einstein's math warps our now into someone else's tomorrow. Gravity's grip on time amps up the dilation drama, as Tyson explains via general relativity's 1915 upgrade, where massive objects curve space-time, slowing clocks deeper in the well. Near a black hole's event horizon, time crawls to a halt for outsiders, but infalling folks cross normally, until spaghettification strikes. Tyson recounts the 1971 Haffel-Keating experiment. Atomic clocks flown eastward gained 59 nanoseconds from weaker gravity aloft but lost 184 from orbital speed, netting a loss, while westward flights flipped it. In 2025's LIGO upgrades detecting gravitational waves, Tyson ties this to cosmic clocks. Neutron stars' insane gravity dilates time so profoundly that a second there equals hours elsewhere. The shocking science? Earth's core ticks slower than the surface by 2.5 milliseconds per day due to our planet's mass, a micro-leap forward we all share unknowingly. Tyson's rap: gravity isn't just pull, it's time's thief, stealing moments from the depths to gift them to the heights, turning every mountain climb into a baby step to the future. Backward time travel? Tyson's verdict is a firm probably not, laced with relativity's loopholes like closed time-like curves, paths looping back to your start, mathematically possible in rotating universes or near cosmic strings. But he leans on Stephen Hawking's chronology protection conjecture. The universe conspires against paradoxes via quantum gravity, snapping shut any backward doors. In his 2025 paradox short, Tyson dissects the grandfather conundrum. Kill your granddad pre-birth and poof, you never exist to time hop, unraveling causality. Hawking's fix? A cosmic sensor hiding singularities, but Tyson adds Hawking's party invite to time travelers, none showed, quipping the universe's no-backies rule. Wormholes, Einstein-Rosen bridges, could theoretically loop time if stabilized by exotic negative energy, but Tyson's skeptical. Quantum foam might birth micros, yet macros demand godlike tech, unobserved in 2025's EHT black hole snaps. The shock, physics permits the math, but nature's firewall, perhaps infinite energy spikes, bars the door, keeping history's ink dry. Paradoxes plague backward dreams, and Tyson's breakdowns reveal their logical knots from bootstrap loops to butterfly wings. The bootstrap? A time traveler gifts Beethoven's Ninth back to Beethoven, who composes it, who originated it. Tyson, in a 2017 Big Think riff updated in 2025 podcasts, calls it a causal circle with no spark, violating info conservation. Then the butterfly effect, squash a bug in Jurassic times, does humanity vanish? Tyson counters with robustness, history's resilient, rerouting around tweaks like killing baby Hitler yielding another tyrant. In quantum multiverse terms, a la Everett, you'd branch a new timeline leaving yours intact, but Tyson favors Hawking's veto. Laws evolve to forbid loops, as infinite regressions you meet infinite past selves crash the system. 2025's quantum sims at IBM test mini-loops. But Tyson's take? Paradoxes aren't puzzles, their physics do not enter signs, shocking us that time's arrow points one way for sanity's sake. Wormholes steal the spotlight in Tyson's speculative segments, portals folding space-time for shortcuts or loops, but he tempers hype with hard science. Per Kip Thorne's math, Tyson's Caltech pal, a traversable wormhole needs exotic matter's negative pressure to prop the throat, echoing quantum Casimir voids but scaled impossibly. Tyson envisions one mouth near a black hole for dilation sink, enabling backward hops, yet Hawking radiation or vacuum decay would collapse it mid-trip. In 2025's ADES CFT holography advances, wormholes link entangled particles, hinting quantum bridges, but Tyson's cautious. No evidence in LIGO's wave menagerie or JWST's voids. The shocking twist? If real, wormholes could prove multiverses, birthing ER=sign EPR where entanglement equals Einstein-Rosen tubes, but Tyson's bet, they're cosmic teases, mathematically seductive but physically shy. Tyson's optimism shines in forward leaps practicality, eyeing near-term tech like ion drives or laser sails hitting 20% light speed, dilating time by years per decade outbound. He cites GPS's relativistic tweaks and muon longevity as proofs, projecting 2025's breakthrough Starshot nanocraft to Alpha Centauri in 20 years ship time, 4.3 light-years Earth time, a mini-leap. But the ethics shock him. Return a century later, your world's alien, friends gone, society shifted. Tyson's 2025 twin paradox vid warns of isolation's toll, echoing astronauts' overview effect but amplified. The science? Relativistic rockets viable with fusion, but energy's the beast. EMC-2 demands starship fuel. Tyson's hook, we're edging toward future tourism, one dilated second at a time. Quantum mechanics adds Tyson's wild card, where retrocausality, future influencing past via entanglement, mimics backward travel without paradoxes. In delayed choice experiments, particles decide paths post-measurement, hinting times bidirectional at quantum scales. Tyson, in 2025's Time Travel Paradox short, ties this to Wheeler's participatory universe. Observers retro-shape reality. But macroscopic? Nah, decoherence smears quantum weirdness. The shock, if ER=sign EPR holds entangled black holes wormhole info backward, resolving Hawking's paradox without true travel. Tyson's tease, quantum clocks might one day phone the past, but for now, it's subatomic whispers. Cultural icons like Back to the Future get Tyson's roast, where flux capacitors defy physics, but he praises relativity nods in Interstellar. In 2025's 40th anniversary nod, Tyson laments Hollywood's backward bias, ignoring forward's feasibility. He praises Doctor Who's Weeping Angels for quantum observer tricks but calls grandfather fixes, parallel timelines, cop-outs dodging real laws. The shocking science? Pop culture sells loops but relativity sells one-way tickets, futures open, pasts locked, urging us to live now. Hawking's shadow looms large in Tyson's talks, his chronology conjecture a cosmic velvet rope, barring backward jaunts to dodge infinities. Tyson recounts Hawking's 2009 time traveler bash, no RSVPs, as empirical proof, quipping in 2025, the universe ghosts you. Yet, he nods Hawking's CTC allowances in Gödel universes, but our flat, expanding cosmos vetoes them. The shock: if backward sneaks in, multiverses balloon, each paradox birthing branches, your kill Hitler self spawns kinder worlds, but Tyson's single timeline loyalist favors prohibition for causality's health. Tyson's 2025 rap: time travel's real. One way via relativity's dial-a-future, shocking in subtlety. We're doing it now, micro-leaps in jets and orbits. Backward: physics' ultimate troll, paradoxes as guardrails. As JWST's deep looks hint at time's arrow from Big Bang, Tyson's call: embrace forward's gift, fix the present, cause the past's off limits and the future's yours to shape. If Tyson's time twists blew your mind, smash like, subscribe for more cosmic curveballs and comment, forward or bust. Stay timeless, the universe ticks on.